Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which Photoshop executable you will block and why. This prevents mistakes. Once done, make a restore point or snapshot so you can undo changes safely. Next, open your operating system firewall controls and choose outbound rules. You will create a new rule targeting the Photoshop exe path. This prevents network connections from that process. Make sure to run your firewall tool as administrator so rule creation succeeds without permission errors. You now create a precise outbound rule. Pick the Photoshop executable and any helper services or updaters, then choose Deny. For thoroughness, block both TCP and UDP. Specifically block common web ports such as 80 and 443 and messaging/update ports like 5223 if present. Once configured, apply the rule to all network profiles, domain, private, and public, so behavior is consistent. Then test by launching Photoshop and observing network activity with a monitor, or by running a quick connectivity test. Finish by verifying the block using Resource Monitor or a packet capture. You should see no outbound connections from Photoshop. Next, disable background updaters and Creative Cloud sync inside the app to avoid local retry behavior. If a feature breaks or Photoshop misbehaves, temporarily disable the rule to confirm causation, then reapply a refined rule, perhaps excluding authentication servers if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates still occur, check and block helper executables and scheduled tasks tied to Creative Cloud.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.